Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm back again with another awesome video. So guys, have you heard about a company called DDPAI? Now they are over a decade old company. Now normally people would not have heard of it, and that's the reason I'm making this video. Now a decade old company, and they specialize in making dash cam for your cars and smart screen. Now they have over 10 million customers globally using their products, and specifically they make some high quality dash cam. So we got ourselves a hand on one of their latest model, which is the DDPAI N5 Dual. Now this, as you can see on the box, is a 4K Ultra HD camera. Now this has dual camera system, the front dash cam and the rear dash cam as well, and it also comes with this little box, and we're going to open all this up now. Looking at some of the basic information which is available on the box is it's 4K plus 1080p dual channel dash cam. Now it's got an upgraded parking mode with the radar, and I'm assuming this is the one which is in the box here, which is the radar system with AI. 4K Ultra HD resolution in the front camera, 1080p in the rear. It's got AI motion detection as well, so when your car is parked, the radar constantly keeps you secure, so it detects the motion and sends you a notification on your phone. So all those kind of amazing feature. It has a great powerful supercapacitor. It has got a built-in GPS log constantly tracking where your car is moving, and it's got night vision as well, so even if you're driving in the night, it captures every moment in crystal clear, and it supports the radar parking mode, and it has an internal memory of 32 GB. We're going to tell you every single thing about it once we open the box, show you how it looks like, and then go set it up in my car and show you everything. We'll try to set it up here as well in front of you and see if we can do that, but otherwise in the car we'll run you through all the setup settings. It's fairly easy, not very difficult, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it as well while keeping you safe and capturing every moment of your drive. And if there is an incident, you can capture it as well. It gets captured as well right on your phone. But before I do that, can I please request you to press that subscribe button and the notification icon so that you keep getting all the notification and I keep getting all the motivation. So I've got my little blue cutter right here. We're going to open this up. Let's start with the smaller box. Let's see what this one has. Lovely, lot of cables. Yeah, that definitely looks like a radar. This one goes into the power place, and some cables. I think that's where the cameras get connected. We see what the usage of this as we open the main unit right here. So we'll just first slide this one out. Let's start putting them on the side. Main unit. Some paperwork to walk you through, and some tape to mount stuff on it. I don't know what these are. Let's see. Oh, it's more of a manual in a way, telling you how and what goes where. We're going to put that on the side as well. And of course, the manual. I like the physical manual. We're going to work through it. Inside, let's go straight away. We've got the main camera unit. I mean, right here. So, oh, that brilliant. So all you have to do is literally stick it onto your windscreen and nothing else, and this is non-scratch, so you straight away start recording. It has a spot for a micro SD card right here, as you can see, speaker here which gives you guidance, and it has a microphone right facing towards you, so you can give it voice commands as well. So fantastic on this hardware here. And then we have the rear camera unit right here, so that gets plugged in at the rear end of your car, rear windscreen of your car from the inside, and this cable connects through this. Yep, that is the cable, and they're given a long one so that it can come all the way to the front to connect with the main unit. And then we have a few more things here. Let's open this boy here. What does this pack? Oh, we go. We got a cigarette lighter case, which has been given to us, a cigarette lighter thing, charger, which has got 2 USB ports to plug in everything that you need. So we've got every single thing that we need. So this one goes and connects right back here from the rear camera. So they both are connected and they're able to communicate with each other and keep capturing those moments. This one gets connected through this port here. So all the front and rear units get connected, and then this one powers it up using this and then this. So we've got all the hardware right here. Let's get rid of these boxes from here. Lovely. So the front dash cam, the rear dash cam, the radar unit, the lighter, and the cables to connect them and power these bad boys up. So let's go set it up and find out how easy the setup is and how it works together to give you a high quality video capture on your dash cam. So don't go anywhere. I'll see you guys soon. And while I do the setup and while I use this camera and show you on this video, I will also tell you all the technical details and the specification about DDPAI N5 Dual. So guys, the hardware setup is done and it was fairly easy, and I'll walk you through every step of it. But let me quickly first tell you some key beautiful features that this beauty packs. And so first, it's got a 140-degree wide angle lens. Now that gives you a broader field of view, enhances safety, and gives you detailed video recording. Now it packs a DDPAI's proprietary night vision VIS and Realcube technologies for vibrant, sharp, and high definition images in any sort of lighting. Now let's talk about night vision. Now this is engineered to enhance the quality of nighttime video recordings, and it comes in handy when you're driving on the dark streets, and it captures them, brightens them up, the AI brightens them up, and it shows you crystal clear image. Realcube True Color technology, which means low light color enhancement scene, also comes with some real good quality of colors which come through with it. Now that means they're closer to life. That's why it's Realcube. Now this technology, it enhances the night recording and puts it all together. Now it's got an AI base, which means it has a smart parking mode, radar detection mode. The AI millimeter wave radar monitors the vehicles and the surroundings and automatically records a 10-second video when it detects a motion, specifically detects a human figure. Now, and this technology is very battery friendly, so it really doesn't use up battery. Now, D-Save 2.0 dual memory storage. Now this has got of course it's got a 32 GB built-in memory, which is an eMMC black box storage sort of a technology, and then you got 512 GB of micro SD card support as well. Now it has been optimized. It has optimized ADAS technology. That means it becomes your personal co-pilot. It senses the vehicles around you and sends you alert and warns you of any safety concerns while you're on the road or while you're parked. Now it has both front and rear alarms which set off, and it also has a driver fatigue alarm, which means it senses if you're driving for a long period of time and sends you a notification to take a break and take a few minutes pause, probably stretch yourself before you continue driving. It has smart voice control, built-in GPS logs, and it tracks every bend and curve and gives you an absolutely accurate route tracking. It gives you details. Now, this built-in GPS log also gives you details on your drive time, speed, location, routes, and all this can be tracked and seen using the DDPAI app, which you've seen in the screen while me setting it up and using it on a day-to-day basis. So guys, a fantastic piece of hardware, a great enhancement to your car having this system, and it doesn't require a technician to do it. All you have to do is just stick it on the windscreen, the front, back, pull out the cables. Yes, if you want to hide those cables on the from the false ceiling of your car or from under the carpet, then I suggest getting someone professional to do it. But for us, it was for me, it was fairly easy. I just pulled it down and I just set it up myself because it was just plug and play, and everything was done automatically. So guys, this is your friend, the Great Lobbyist, signing off. And I am sure you loved the video. If you have any questions regarding setting it up and everything, please do leave me a comment below, and I'll be happy to do a short video on that and tell you everything about it. But believe me, you won't need that because it's fairly easy to set up. So guys, this is your friend, the Great Lobby, signing off. Keep yourself safe. Peace.